Hey guys, what's going on? This is Addison from Listware Car Company, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to actually open the sunroof in a really fashionable fashion. Let's get right to it. So right here is the 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge. Super beautiful design. I love it. Absolutely fast, has 402 horsepower. But something that I want to show you guys is when we get into the interior. So right when we get inside, you can tell that there's a lot going on here, and we'll get that into future videos, but there's this little feature right up there, and that is how we open the sunroof. So you've probably seen our videos on the ID4, the Volkswagen ID4. Well, this actually has the same feature, and it's absolutely amazing. So what you do is you actually go up to it, and you just swipe back, and the sunroof opens itself up, which is super cool. Absolutely awesome. I love that thing. What you do to close it back up is you swipe down and it starts closing itself back up, lessening the amount of light in the car. And 3, 2, 1, boop. Another point I want to cover is that when you actually pull it back and you tap on it, you can adjust it to any type of level that you want it at. So let's just say you want some shade in the back for the kids, and up here you guys don't want any shade, you want some sun. Well, you can actually have that happen. But anyways, y'all, I hope this was a really cool tutorial for y'all and something that you can learn. Pretty easy, pretty simple, easily accessible. It's awesome. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!